So now let's see how we can go ahead and work around with background color block inside of Notion. So to go ahead and do that, you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, Notion and press slash on your keyboard right here. And once you do that, you can go ahead and type in background right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, there's different sort of background color blocks as you can see right here. For example, you got green background right here, just like this. And you can see that now as I go ahead right here, you can see that this is what you have. You can go ahead and type in background right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and select a blue background as well. So this is what you have as you can see. And as per the content right here, you can hold Shift and Enter to actually go ahead and utilize this particular color blocks just like this. And that is simply how you can go ahead and utilize background color blocks as you like. So go ahead onto background color block, go around over here onto purple, and then this is what you have. You got the orange and so forth just like that as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.